So, I've got a grapevine, and the grapes are pretty good. Matter of fact, they're so good, the birds around here eat them. So I hung up some CDs, because I was told that it would scare away the birds. Well, guess what? Yep. They're still eating them. So I did some more research. And somebody said a physical barrier. So I thought I would go and get one of the bird nets put over it. And somebody said, oh well, it's just going to be a matter of time before the birds figure out how to get through it. So I kept reading, kept looking around. Somebody said, cut a hole in a paper bag and slip it right around the grapes and let it sit there. So that's what I did with these. And I'll tell you what, grapes got eat, grapes didn't get eaten. And they're still purpling up just fine. I got some down here I have yet to do. I'm going to be doing those up next. There are quite a few bunches this year. But I think it's going to work out. So I'll let y'all know how it turns out. Let's see, I got a bunch of them back here too. These are really good grapes. They're pink champagne, and they taste like a root beer float. So they're pretty delicious. I got probably a couple more weeks at the most before they're all done ripening up, and I'll kind of show y'all what they look like then.